Hello, hey Ruby. How you doing, Ruby? Oh, just cleaning up this bathroom this morning, trying to get it on out the way. Well, just a little kaboom and pine salt. No, Ruby, I ain't using no bleach, Ruby. No, Ruby, I ain't got my mask on, Ruby. Ruby, I know I just got over pneumonia, Ruby. I'm not inhaling the stuff, Ruby. I sprayed the stuff in the bathroom, Ruby. Then I came on out, Ruby, and let it air on out. Then I came back on in, Ruby. Ruby, you called for something, didn't you, Ruby? Well, Ruby, I just told you, if you called to talk to me, Ruby, I can't talk right now. I'm trying to clean this bathroom. Well, Ruby, you can. Well, Ruby, you can come on down and clean it. And come on down, Ruby. Since you're so concerned about it, you come on down and clean it, and I'll sit outside the bathroom door and talk to you, Ruby. How about we do it that way, Ruby? I just ain't got time, Ruby. Ruby, I'm not